I've been getting a little thirsty. I didn't bring any water to drink for my hunting trip. So I'm up here in the woods, nothing to drink. It's been about 2 hours. I'm going to try drinking a little water out of this stream. The water is streaming here. It's trickling out of the rocks. And you can see up there, someone has stuck a pipe in the rock at one time to get water out of here. Anyway, it's not coming down the rocks, but it's coming out of the rocks. So I'm going to try to drink a little. This is hunter versus the wild. Kind of like man versus wild. The water looks pretty clean. You can see it trickling here. So if I get a little in my hand, it tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah, that's very good. I needed that. Now I can go back up the mountain here and sit up on that rock ledge. Right up there. And I've been hunting right up here. Haven't seen anything yet. And looking down toward the creek, thinking that some deer might walk by here and get them something to drink. So we'll get back in place. Let's see what we find. That was good.